How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up WhatsApp in your device. After you're on your chat page, head over to top right and tap on the three dot icon. Here, tap on linked devices. Under this page, you will be able to find all the devices that you have linked with your WhatsApp account. Tap on the device that you want to unlink and simply tap on log out. And with that, your device will be unlinked from your WhatsApp account. And that's how you can unlink WhatsApp from other devices. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.